Good morning, Huskies. Today we're going to practice our numbers. One thing that I want you to do during this video is whenever you see me counting, if I'm counting cube, if I'm touching and counting, or if I'm counting with my fingers, I want you to count with me out loud. And I want you to be touching and counting as I'm counting. So, we're going to get our counting muscles warmed up. So, first thing we're going to do, I want you to look at the board. I drew the strawberries that I ate for lunch today. And I want you to help me count how many strawberries I ate. So, get your pointing fingers out. Touch and count with me as I count the strawberries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Huskies, how many strawberries did I eat for lunch today? Good. That's right. I ate 5 strawberries for lunch today. So I need some help drawing the number 5. So can you all get your skywriting fingers out? I'm waiting for every husky to have their skywriting fingers out. Can you draw the number 5 for me? Good job. Thank you, huskies. So you did a great job helping me remember how to draw the number 5. We draw down, circle back, line across. I'm going to do that one more time. We go down, circle back, line across. This is how you draw the number 5. There's one other way we show the number 5, and that's through tally marks. So if I'm going to do tally marks to show the number 5, I'm going to draw 5 lines. So help me count as I draw 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Thank you for helping me count. Now I want you to notice, I'm going to touch the lines that I drew, and I want you to count out loud by yourselves this time. Good job. Now I want you to notice that line number 5 isn't a cross line. Whenever we draw tallies, we draw the number of lines that match this number, and the line number 5 goes across. So we're going to do a little more practice with our fingers, and then we're going to go to my cubes. So everybody get your fingers out, get your counting fingers out, get your fists out, and when I start counting, I want you to start using your fingers to help you count with me. Okay, let's practice counting to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good job, huskies. Now we're going to practice doing that, but with counting. We're going to practice counting that, but with clapping. Okay, everybody get your clapping hands out, and we're going to count to 7 clapping. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, let's do it one more time with our counting fingers, and then we're going to go on to our cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good job. So, huskies, we're going to say bye to the strawberries because we're going to use the board for something else. Everybody say, bye, strawberries. The strawberries are going to go away. And we're going to practice counting cubes. So, huskies, I don't know what you like to do when you're playing at home, but something I like to do is make towers out of my Legos. So, I don't have any Legos with me right now, but I do have my cubes. So, I need everybody to get their pointing fingers out. Help me count this, how high this tower of cubes is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How high is my tower of cubes? Good. It is 6 high. So, everybody say 6. 6 is our number of the day. What's our number of the day? Good. It's 6. So I have a piece of paper here, and it has a lot of numbers written on it. So I'm going to write some of the numbers, and then I need you to help me figure out which number is the number of the day. So here are some numbers that I wrote on the board. Can everybody point to the number 6? Okay. Can you help me find the number 6? I'm going to point to a number and you tell me if I found the number 6. Is this the number 6? No, you're right. This is not the number 6. What number is this? Good. It's a 4. Okay. I'm going to keep looking for the number 6 because 6 is our number of the day. Huskies, can you point to the number 6? Is this the number 6? No, you're right. Thank you. Here. What is the name of this number? What's the name of this number? Good job, Huskies. This is the number 8. Okay, I think I got it this time. Well, let's do it one more time. Can you guys all point to the number 6? Is this the number 6? You're right. This is the number 6. Okay, so we're going to say bye to our numbers. Everybody say bye, numbers. And the numbers are going to go away. So we made a tower. And let's count one more time how high this tower is. So as I point, I want you to count. How high is this tower? Good. This tower is 6 high. So I'm going to draw that number. Now, if I have 6 cubes, I can make one tower of 6 high, or I could make 2 smaller towers. So can you help me make 2 smaller towers? So I just took my 6 cubes, and now I made 2 smaller towers. So first we're going to say bye to the 6. Say bye 6. And now we're going to count how high my 2 smaller towers are. Can you tell me how high is this tower? How many cubes are in this tower? Good. There is 1 cube in this tower. So that is my tower. And that is how many cubes are in this tower. And can you count and tell me how high this tower is? Help me count with me as I point. How high is this tower? You're right, this tower is 5 cubes high. Let's do it one more time just to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, if we drew a tower that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 high, and I drew the number 5 with it. So I have a tower of 5, and I have a tower of 1. How many cubes do I have in total? You're right, I have 6 cubes, because 5 and 1 make 6. So now let's say I made 2 towers that look a little differently using my 6 cubes. Let's figure out how many cubes are in each tower. So here I have a cube, I have a tower, and let's see, how many cubes are in this tower? How many? You're right, this tower has 2 cubes. So we're going to write the number 2. And let's see, let's count how many cubes are in this tower. As I touch the cubes, I want you to count them out loud. How many cubes? Good. 4 cubes. So I'm going to write the number 4. So we have a tower of 4, and we have a tower of 2. How many cubes are there in total? You're right. There are still 6 cubes. I started with 6 cubes and I made 2 smaller towers. And 4 and 2, they make 6. Okay, so now we're going to make one last set of towers. Now, I take my first tower of 6 cubes. So this is my initial tower of 6 cubes. And I'm going to make 2 cubes that are equally high, 2 medium-sized cubes. So I need you to help me count how many cubes are in my 2 towers. So as I touch my cubes, can you help me count them out loud? How many cubes were in this tower? You're right, there are 3 cubes in this tower. And let's figure out how many cubes are in this tower. How many? Good, there are 3. So I have a tower of 3 and a tower of 3. How many cubes do I have overall? Touch and count all my cubes. How many cubes do I have overall? Good, I have 6 cubes. Let's touch and count to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 cubes total because 3 and 3, they make 6. Okay, Huskies, we're going to say bye to the towers. Everybody say bye, towers. And we're going to erase them. And I'm going to show you what I want you to do for your homework. So for your homework, you're going to do what's called a dot diagram. And I'm going to explain what that is. So something I ate this morning were some cookies because I love cookies. And I'm going to write my numbers and I'm going to show you what that number looks like by drawing dots. So if I ate 1 cookie, how many dots should I draw next to the number 1? You're right, I should draw 1 dot next to the number 1. Because I'm showing you how many 1 cookie looks like. Now, if I got really hungry and I ate 2 cookies, I'm going to draw the number 2. And how many dots do you think I'm going to draw next to the number 2? You're right. I'm going to draw 2 dots. Now, let's say I got super, super hungry and I ate 8 cookies in one time. If I ate 8 cookies, I'm going to draw the number 8. And how many cookies do you think I'm going to draw? How many dots do you think I'm going to draw next to my number 8? You're right, I'm going to draw 8 dots. So help me count as I draw my 8 dots. When I draw a dot, I want you to count. 1, 2, 3. Good, keep counting. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many? This is how many 8 looks like. How many cookies did I eat? I ate 8 cookies. I ate this many cookies. So what I want you to do for your dot diagram, I want you to write the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I want you to write all the numbers to 10. And next to that number, I want you to draw that many cookies. So next to the number 1, I want you to draw 1 cookie. Next to the number 2, I want you to draw 2 cookies. When you write the number 3, I want you to draw 3 cookies. And I want you to do all that. I want you to do that same thing all the way down to 10. And then you can turn it in through Seesaw. Okay, this is all that we're going to do for practicing our numbers today. I hope you had a great time. Bye, Huskies.